Hey everyone, these miniature paints will completely transform your painting game, and trust me, you won't want to paint without them.
When it comes to miniature painting, having the right paints in your collection can make all the difference between a good model and a great one. In this video, we're going to explore the essential miniature paints that every painter should have in their toolkit. The miniature paint market is huge, with countless brands and colours available. Have you ever walked into a hobby store or scrolled through an online catalogue and felt completely overwhelmed by the sheer variety of paints on offer?
So where do you even start? You got your acrylics, enamels, inks, the list goes on. And every paint promises to give that perfect finish, that subtle shading, that pop of colour that just takes your miniatures from good to great. Choosing paints can be daunting. You don't want to end up with a massive collection and not even use half of them. That's what's happened to me. I've got so many different paints that I just don't use half of them anymore. This isn't even half the collection. So for these reasons, I'm giving you my top 5 essential paints that can be used across almost any paint scheme.
First up, we have GW's Citadel Paint Mephiston Red. Now, I absolutely love this colour, and while I don't really recommend too many Citadel paints, I use this paint for a whole variety of different techniques. From glazing, dry brushing, base coating, this paint always gives a very nice, smooth, matted finish. Another must-have for me is Citadel's Dark Reaper. As I just mentioned, I really don't recommend Citadel paints for the majority of things. I have tons, and you may be thinking like, why is Dark Reaper on here? I don't think it's a very used color. However, for me, I've found that using Dark Reaper for transitioning from black and highlighting black have just been so good. The consistency you can get with it through an airbrush and the consistency for glazing are second to none. Pro Aquarel Bold Titanium White is another game changer. This paint has such good coverage that you can basically just go straight over black. The consistency is amazing and it is just such a solid color. The white itself it's one of the best whites about, if not the best white. The finish it gives is a lovely matte finish. Next up is Ice Yellow, and this paint I have used so much since I ever found out about it. It's not a paint that I use by itself, it's a paint that I use in combination with other paints and create mixtures with. It truly is one of the best paints for creating highlights and brightening up the previous paints and layers. So last but not least is Vallejo's Black. Now, the reason why this is number one is because I use it in absolutely every single paint job that I do. The consistency, I've never had an issue with the consistency. It's always been top tier. The finish is a really nice matte finish. You can use this for a number of different things, darkening different paints, creating washes, filters, glazes. It can really be used for all sorts of different things, and that is why it is at the top of my list.
So to recap, we have covered my essential miniature paints that can really elevate your painting game and can be used across any paint scheme. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these paints can really help your painting process and make it more enjoyable. If you're as passionate about miniature painting as I am, I'd love to hear what would be in your top 5 list. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you're ready to take your skills to the next level, check out this video where I put all these paints in this list to work. Just want to say thank you to everyone who's watched this video so far, and I will catch you in the next one.